Do you have a very drafty door and you just want to keep the heat in or the heat out? So if it's really hot outside, you want to have it cooler inside. By insulating well, and I do mean doors and windows, it can really help. Well, I do this in two different ways. One is through these door curtains, okay? They just attach through, go to the top here, there we go. It uses Velcro, okay? So it uses Velcro to attach. So I take it off when I don't want it, but then I add it on. But then when I've got it on, if I want to go through the doorway, it's magnets. And I loved this one because the entrance was on one side, so you could just flip it over to use it on the other side. Yeah. And it's I think it was, I'm trying to think how much it was. I'll put it down in a link to it. This one was from Amazon. I also found a couple on Temu that were also quite good, so I'll put those down below as well. And so you can see which one you like better. But what I also do at the bottom, so this is to my 1970s conservatory, so it's really a greenhouse attached to the house, and the door was a replacement, because there was a wooden door here that broke when I was renovating. I think I'd had too much plaster and wet in there. It swelled, bad things happened. Anyway, my window people, they were kind enough to bring an old door they removed so that I had a door until I eventually renovate and get rid of the conservatory and put a new room in. So until then, I have an old door. Well, that old door is very drafty and it's cold. And I found, I think it was last winter or the winter before, I was very cold in this room. It was taking a lot of electricity. I'm on electric heat, and it took a lot of electricity to heat the room. And I thought, no, there has to be a better way. So I remember the old door curtains. I don't know if some of you from the UK, I'm sure other countries have this, have door curtains. Well, I looked at those and I didn't really like them because you have poles and everything. But this I loved. And I loved it so much that I got it, put it on the next day. It changed the room. So what I've done now is I've left, it's currently October, and I started doing this last month, is that when it started to get a bit cold and the conservatory was too cold, but the cats wanted to go out into the conservatory. They're indoor cats, not outdoor. So if you have outdoor cats, you can do the same or similar thing, that I've basically left the door to the conservatory open, and at the bottom, I've put a shoe in. Oh, let's see if it'll go down to the bottom. Yeah. So I've just popped a shoe in to hold it open so that there's a little flap that the cats can go in and out. Yeah. Don't know if anybody's out there at the moment. Yes, she is. So they just come and go, and then I leave that, and then I can close it as necessary. Now, the other thing that I found when I was searching for these is they do the same thing for windows. So if it gets quite cold this winter, I'm definitely going to be buying the same thing for the two windows here, because I haven't replaced those ones until I renovate the conservatory. So I could put same thing on there, Velcro, put them on there, and keep it warm. Okay, I will also record another video on another way that I insulate my windows, and it's people, well, they notice in my living room because I haven't cut the curtains down. curtain. But there's another way that you can insulate windows, and I'll do another video on that because it's one way that I've actually used in the conservatory as well as here and in the bedrooms. And it's using special thermal insulating blackout curtains that you can use with any curtains. This is what I loved, is that you can get some of these thermal lining curtains and you put your curtains in front of them so nobody even has to see that you've got these extra thick curtains behind them. Okay. But if you, so I'll do another video on that and hopefully link the two together. Great. So I hope you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, and do put comments down below if you have any comments. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel and do click on that thumbs up because it really does help me, helps YouTube see that people are enjoying them, and it moves my videos slightly higher, hopefully. So thank you so much, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.